So rotator cuff surgery, as technology has advanced, we do them mostly through, what we call arthroscopic. So small little incisions around the shoulder. It's all outpatient surgery. Most of the time, if it's a smaller to medium-sized tear, studies show that there's a 95% improvement with that. And the goal of that is to avoid the shoulder replacement that we're talking about before. So one of the main reasons to do a shoulder replacement is if someone has a long-standing rotator cuff tear that we can't fix, if it's irreparable. And so, hopefully the goal is with rotator cuff surgery is to avoid that. Rotator cuff tears happen over time. We know that the incidence goes up to 100% if you live long enough. And depending on the discussion with your surgeon and all that, and the quality of the tear and everything, rotator cuff surgery is an excellent option. It's not the easiest recovery, but by 3 months, most patients are doing really well. And it's, again, something that by 4.5 months, most patients are back to doing a lot of their overhead activities, racket sports, golf, things like that.